Welcome sa Walang Tulugan with the Master Showman.
Kumanta nila, parang parang hindi tayo nahuhuli sa kanila.
Ganun ba?
Mga ka-level namin, Kuya John.
Medyo okay.
Dito ako sa taas.
Ay, nandyan pala si Derek. Hello, Derek.
The only thorn among the roses.
Ganun ba?
Yes.
Alam mo, narinig ko dyan, si Derek pala is from
Jose Rizal
University ka. Talaga?
Alumni po ako Kuya John ng Jose Rizal University.
Anong course yan?
Hindi Kuya John, elementary high school doon ako.
Kopya.
Talaga
Yeah, and naging sumali rin ako sa competition.
Talaga?
Senior, first runner-up lang eh.
Oh, eto
so,
na.
talaga ikaw every year, no? So, tanungin natin
Every
naman sila, ay, nandito ba si Marjorie? Where
Ay,
is
si
Marjorie?
Here.
Marjorie, can I ask you, ano ba itong Jose Rizal University? Mr. and Mrs. Mr. and
Mr. and
Miss Jose
Miss.
Rizal University.
JRU, yes.
We are the 2026 candidates of Mr. and Miss Jose Rizal University, which will be held on January 30, Saturday,
Saan gagawin yan?
Jose Rizal University's Quadrangle.
Quadrangle.
Sa school talaga, sa
Okay, sa
university.
school, doon talaga.
Kuya John, tanong ko lang kasi I've heard maraming preparations tong Mr. and Miss na to. Ano ba yung mga preparations na ginawa nyo?
Actually, we didn't even, personally,
Ayun, lahat.
lahat, all of us, we're preparing like for the ramp,
Sa ramp.
our walk. Every night, we practice really hard.
And of course, narinig ko meron silang mga mall shows, di ba?
Yes,
Nagkaroon
mall
ng mall
tour.
shows, di ba?
Fashion shows.
Nasa si Ian. Let's talk about, where's Ian? Oh, Ian. So, invite them sa mga mall shows ninyo. And what do they expect kung kayo nasa mall time? Show ba? Kantahan, sayawan, rampa?
We would like to thank to the sponsors of our event, which is Star Mall Shop Boulevard. We would like to thank also for the sponsors of our events, which are Mang Inasal, Hershey's, Heatwave, Kaspersky, and many more.
Yan, maraming salamat sa mga sponsors
Iba
ninyo.
talaga, pag estudyante ka, no? Di ba?
At hindi, at
Kailangan
saka na-intimidate mo yata dyan. Parang feeling nila nandun na sila sa competition talaga. Anyway, ano ba ang dapat na mga qualities para maging...
Yung parang requirement.
Oo, requirements para maging makasama dito sa Mr. and
For me, it's not all
Miss
about the
JRU.
physical assets, but how you will carry yourself in front of them, in front of many people.
Yung magandang katabi mo,
Si Sabrina, yan, totoo na to, si Sabrina. Hello, Sabrina.
Hi po.
Ayan, maganda siya kuya dyan, di ba?
Ganda. Kaya yun ang tinabihan mo eh.
Kaya nga tinabihan ko. And of course, tanong ko lang, ano ba yung mga prizes nga pala rito sa competition?
I think
Prize.
scholarship.
May scholarship. Bongga kuya dyan.
Scholarship.
Scholarship.
At saka prestige, di ba, Maris? During our time, sa kaya lang hindi ako naging Mr. Something, no? Pero ako lang ang nag-entertain noon. But I think one thing that comes out from this, yung mga ka-batchmates ninyo, lahat ng mga taga Jose Rizal University, malalaman na kayo ang naging Mr. or kaya Miss Jose Rizal, di ba?
Totoo
So,
yan.
habang tumanda kayo, hanggang mag-asawa kayo, hindi maalis yan title
Nandun na
yan.
yung tatak na yun.
Good luck sa inyong
Good
lahat.
luck to everyone.
Lagi na tayo sa Jose Rizal University Quadrangle. Again, when is this, Kenan?
January 30, on Saturday.
January 30. Pero,
January 30.
bago tayo umalis, dapat JRU style ng
Oo.
wala!